Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. In particular today, we're going to learn how to use devotionals and subscribe to it. Now, if I'm reading through the devotional and I want to get in my subscription, I can tap on subscriptions and go through the long, complicated process of subscribing. It's not complicated, but you have to choose the devotional and where it wants to start. The easiest thing to do is to come into All Collections, open up Devotionals, choose the devotional book that I want to receive the subscription to, so say Maranatha, and then all I can do is tap on Subscribe. And when I've tapped on Subscribe, it will say, say it starts right here at today's date. And I say I want to start from, let's go all the way down to, in a date. I would choose the date that I want to start at. Once I've started it, there we go. And I click Start. And I will now be ready to receive that tomorrow. Now you can see tomorrow all I need to do is tap on Subscriptions, and it will show right here. The subscription will appear and it will show right here for me to start reading. So I'm receiving the thought for the day now, and it would show up here, my daily devotional. And I could just tap on it and read. So that's really quickly how you can subscribe to a daily devotional. So once I have subscribed and I'm receiving the devotional every day, maybe I want to edit the time in which I receive it. Well, no worries. You can see you come back to the About screen, you tap on the word subscribe, and you can click on Edit. And it will bring you back up, and you can actually choose the delivery time, for example. I can choose the days of the week and the time in which I'll receive it. Now the default is 12 a.m., but maybe I want to receive the notification every morning I do my devotional at 7 a.m. I could just change it to 7 a.m. and click Save, and it will update, and my devotional will be delivered at 7 a.m. in the morning. And by subscribing, it means that every day you'll receive a notification within the app, you tap on it, and you can read. So I hope that little subscription tooltip to a daily devotional will help you as you daily read from the writings of Ellen White. So remember, when you stay connected with God, He will be your best and closest friend and guide and direct you in your daily life. Have a nice day.